Hi, I'm Jim Holmes. I'm an independent consultant. I run my own company, Guidepost Systems. I've been doing public speaking for probably at least 25 years, maybe even 30 in one form or another. Goes all the way back through my days in the United States Air Force. Public speaking is hard, it's draining, it's nerve wracking because you have to get up in front of an audience, and it doesn't matter if it's five or if it's 500. For a lot of us, and I'm including me in this, for a lot of us, that's really hard. But here's the thing, I guarantee that you right there, you've got some kind of a story. Maybe it's from your personal life, maybe it's from community work, maybe it's from your own technical things at work. You've got a story that if you could tell it, would help people out. So, join me at my workshop, Learn to Be a Great Public Speaker. This workshop is targeted to help you get that story out. How do you come up with an idea? How do you figure out where to submit your talk to? How do you actually build the talk? How do you get over the nerves that everybody has? And then mechanical things like movement and learning to deal with those nerves and anxieties on stage. So I hope you'll join me because everybody's got some story that can help others out. And I'd like to help you be able to share that story.